Alright, what up YouTube? It's your boy Jag, back at it again. Welcome back to the channel, to the KDMCulturePH / VIP Accent channel. Today we got a little bit of a treat for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and head out to AJP South Garage. They are the folks that did my paint job, my body work, and we're going to go ahead and get the rest of my body kits that's been sitting for at least a year or two, color match with the rest of the vehicle. And here's a quick sneak peek as well. As you can see here, I got the LED side repeaters. They're going to be replacing my side mirrors. I got to go ahead and get the color match as well. And if you can't tell, my interior is kind of naked as well. It's a little bit missing some stuff, but that's because I'm planning to get the interior updated as well. We're going to go ahead and get the roof liner, the seat covers changed, the side panels, give it a more updated vibe, more VIP vibe, if you know what I mean. With that being said, I'm going to go in and head out to the shop. I'm going to go in and try to get all the parts laid out to the side, so that way you can get a good vision or visual of what I'm trying to do and what it's looking like. And just so you know, we got the Verna chin, Verna side skirts, the Verna extended ducktail, and the roof spoiler about to get color matched. And I'll see you guys again when I get to the shop, so that way we can try to check everything out. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, pulling up to AJP South Garage. And we're gonna go talk to the owners and see what they're talking about. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to the owners. I'm gonna get back to you on a little bit, see how it goes. Peace. Alright, here you go, boys. Got the side skirts laid out. Got the AJP South Garage. About to leave the car in here for about a week. See, here's the extended ducktail. Don't mind this, I just put it on top so you can get a visual how wide it is. Got the roof spoiler. Get this color match. Sitting flush. That's good. Oh. There you go. You can kind of get the bigger picture. Here's the lip. Exclusive. Right in the lip. I'm putting on the front here. Oh yeah. It's about to go down. So we're gonna leave it here for a few weeks. I mean, hopefully a week or two. Get everything sorted out, get everything color matched, and get the small things taken care of. Got a few scratches on the bumper, this, and a few other small key details that needs to get worked out. But for the most part, it's all coming together. After this, who knows what's next, right? We got something planned for the works, for the boys. And for the interior, I already talked to the guy. Just gonna have to wait and see. So yeah, that's that. I'll get back to you guys in about a week or two, depends on how long and everything takes. And we'll see where it goes. Deuces. Alright guys, welcome back. For the last update, it's been a few weeks since we dropped the car off. I haven't been able to see much of it. The progress is a little progress here and there, but now I'm actually on the way to the shop to go check it out. So I guess you'll see it when I see it. I'll be back. Alright boys, here we are. Also got the rear diffuser removed for a cleaner look. Bam, we got the skirts. It's a little bit raining right now, but when I get some clear weather, I'll explain what I had done to the skirts. I had a bracket in the bottom, put down, give it more stability. Of course, we got the color match chin. Good, looking fresh. Apologize for the noise, it's a little bit rainy, but when the sun gets out, we'll give it a little bit more, do some more B-rolls on it. Yeah, for the meantime, I'm really happy with the outcome. With that being said, I'm gonna get back to y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna just take it for a quick drive. Try not to fuck up my lip and my side skirts. But it's looking proper now. Just you know, we got a few more surprises lined up for y'all, so stick around. I'll catch y'all in the next one, alright? Thanks for tuning in. Once again, it's your boy Jack. VIP Accent, that's KDMCulturePH channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. See you on the next one.
Waking up anew.